Kim wants to make 8 quarts of a 70% alcohol solution by mixing together an 80% alcohol solution and pure water. How much of each solution must she use? So, keyword here, each. So that means we're talking about 2 different things. And when we're talking about 2 different things, we have 2 different variables. And if we have 2 different variables, that means this is a system. So we need 2 separate equations. So I've created this table for us so that we can kind of organize our thoughts based on the information that we have. So Kim wants to make 8 quarts of a 70% alcohol solution. So we know that her total amount has to be 8. And we know that that's 70% alcohol. And so 70% of 8 is going to be 5.6 quarts. Now, she's going to do that by mixing together an 80% alcohol solution, so 80% alcohol, and pure water, which we know is 0%. What we don't know is how much. So we have the 70% alcohol, which is our total. We have the 80% alcohol, so we'll label that X. We don't know the amount, X. The pure water, Y. Y. So 80% of X, or 0.8X, plus 0% of Y, so 0Y, 5.6 of my total. So let me make this prettier right here. So Y is the water, and X is the 80% alcohol. So I have 2 equations now. X plus Y has to equal 8, or my 8 quarts. And by mixing X plus Y, I need 5.6 quarts of it to be alcohol. So 0.8X plus 0Y has to equal 5.6. Well, because Y isn't included, what I can really say is that 0.8X has to equal 5.6. I'm going to divide by 0.8 on both sides. I'm going to get X equals 7. Okay. So 7 quarts, and I'm going to take that 7 and I'm going to plug it back in. 7 plus Y equals 8. Minus 7 minus 7, Y equals 1. Okay. So I need 7 quarts of the 80% alcohol. And I need 1 quart of water.